So that's a good sign. How to do it. Right on. She is, and she's being, she, a little bit closer to being centered. And it can be answered. Multiple people can get the answer. And then you also get